Managing requests across your organization doesn't have to be slow, confusing, or manual. In this tutorial, I will show you how Nutrient can be utilized by supervisors and administrators to oversee and handle requests, ensuring that work progresses smoothly. Let's start with the Monitor Request view. This gives managers visibility into every request without needing to build a custom dashboard. Here you can search, filter, and drill into any request to see its full history and current status. In this view, users can just view requests, but not make changes to the actual task. Using the flow view, you can see exactly where a request is at in the process, which step it's waiting on, and who it's currently assigned to. This visibility helps teams spot bottlenecks early and make sure nothing gets stuck. For administrators or power users, the Manage Request view goes a step further. Not only can you track requests, you can also take action when something needs to move forward. For example, here's a new hire request waiting on approval from the recruiting manager. I can step in as an administrator. By hovering over the task and selecting Set Recipients, I can assign another authorized team member to handle it. This update only applies to this specific request. It won't change the base process or any future workflows. This kind of flexibility ensures work doesn't stall and every request gets the timely attention it deserves. Administrators can also take other actions when needed, like resetting a task to start it over, redoing a task completion to re-trigger the next steps, or updating due dates and reminders to match shifting priorities. If someone knows they'll be out ahead of time, they can set up an out-of-office delegation. With this out-of-office delegation, their tasks are automatically routed to a backup while they're away. These tools give your team complete control to keep work flowing even when plans change. Every request is tracked with a full audit trail and reporting tools, so you can see how your processes perform over time, identify where delays happen, and continuously improve. Ready to see how Nutrient can transform your request management? Try Nutrient Workflow for free for 14 days or contact our sales team for a demo.